the eyes of Africa and indeed the rest of the world will be on Kenya on that day. In that regard, all Kenyans are invited to be part of this historic event. To all Kenyans, as the leadership of our government transitions into the fifth administration, we are called upon to join hands and continue with the sacred work of building our nation, Kenya, a nation worthy of the sacrifices of our forefathers during the struggle for independence, and building the very best nation that we can bequeath to our future generations. I thank you, and may God bless our beloved nation, Kenya. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Asanteni. Tumemaliza na hakuna maswali. It is true. Asante. Thank you very much.
I was upstairs in the next room. Then I was sitting, I thought you were still in the meeting. Yes.
Reke ngwire murata no guo raigua withi ukaigua muturire urituhite no kona ndungitoria ni undu wa mari uragerera ta makanga idariganirwo niwe na gutiri undu ngai aremagwo na ithe nduwe nyoni cia riera-ini citihandaga ona kana ikagetha no ngai ndari areka citindire